This is about two American lovers growing up right here in the heartland. It's called Ashen. Nothing left together, leave it all behind. We worked it out before my dear, no goodbyes to mine. None of them too much, keeping us around. After the Broadway and there's room, looking like you'll stay behind. And I said, talk it out, up and down. There's nothing for us here. We cast our eyes, falling wide, still we're on our own. Another fear, another down, but nothing comes of those. We'll pick on up, we'll move on out. We'll find it on our own. Wonders when he'll return to this place where he grew up. Pulls his glasses down, hang about his neck. Looks outside the window at Ashen's truck, pulling lines. Birkins lost from anywhere, but looking Ashen's eye. The final job is done, but he barely looks like. Another year has passed him by, miles from where he comes. Bird walks out and takes his hand in no time. The time has come. And I said, talk it out, up and down. There's nothing for us here. We cast our eyes far and wide, still we're on our own. Another fear, another doubt, but nothing comes above. We'll pick on up, we'll move on out, we'll find it on our own. Thank you. Thank you very much.